Massive benefits of building your business credit. Business credit is credit under a company's EIN. It is not associated with an owner's social security number. Business credit and personal credit are separate. Scores can diverge dramatically. Credit is in the business name and based on the business's ability to pay, and not the business owner's. Since the business qualifies for the credit, when done right, business credit is obtained with no personal credit check required from the business owner, and the business owner isn't personally liable for the credit the business obtains. Why do you want business credit? All major businesses have it. Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, Bill Gates, etc. don't risk their personal assets when their companies borrow money. They don't need to provide a personal guarantee either. Why? Because their own businesses have credit. Build a payment history. Your payment history matters. It affects a business credit score more profoundly than pretty much anything else. Pay your bills on time, in full, and you'll have good business credit. Establishing business credit early means you have that many more times and opportunities to establish a good payment history as well. High credit limits. Businesses have a much greater need for higher capacity than a consumer does. This is why approval limits are much higher. This is on business accounts versus personal accounts. According to the SBA, credit limits on business cards are often 10 to 100 times higher than consumer credit. No personal credit check. When done right, business credit can be built without a personal credit check and without putting your social security number on an application. There are no inquiries on your report. Business credit can quickly be obtained regardless of personal credit quality. There is no personal credit reporting of business accounts. Let's recap. Business credit means personal credit is untouched. Utilization rate stays low. There are no inquiries on personal credit. Building business credit before you need makes it easier and faster to get it. Payment history and credit history matter. Build business credit the right way. Establish business credibility. Get DUNS, EIN, and set business entity up with the IRS. Start with vendor credit. Move on to revolving store credit. Then move to fleet credit and cash credit. Contact us today to learn more about the massive benefits of building your business credit.